Alright, so welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send bulk SMS to your WhatsApp contact. Okay, so if you want to actually send, this is not a broadcast list or broadcast message. If you want to send a broadcast message using the broadcast feature on WhatsApp, you can only send messages to contacts that are saved. Okay, so for the contacts that are just coming, new contacts that are coming into your WhatsApp, this method will allow you to send messages to unsaved contacts on your WhatsApp so that they can save your contact, and you can from there start promoting your product and services to them. Okay, maybe you are just generating new leads, driving new leads to your WhatsApp, and you want them to save your contact. So you can start sending bulk SMS to your contact list, and you can start promoting your product and services. And this is, you can send to over 500 contacts and above. So you can send to as many leads as possible, or as many contacts on your list as possible. Right, so the app we'll be using now is WhatsApp. WhatsApp is a very cool app, WhatsApp marketing app that you can use to do a whole lot of things that will make your WhatsApp marketing journey very easy. With this app, you can send bulk SMS, you can auto save WhatsApp contacts, you can save WhatsApp status, and there are a whole lot more that you can do with these two. Right, so let's just get started, and I'll show you your process of how to send bulk SMS to your WhatsApp. Okay, so you can see the interface. Just click on this bulk automatic sender and click on the start now. And click on the start now. This one, let me show you. Click on this one. Okay, so you can see, click on this one to actually get started. So once you click on the start now, okay, so the first thing, use this first box to ask you to select your country code. If you are just opening this app for the first time, you need to select your country code. So I'm in Nigeria, I already selected my country. So if you are outside Nigeria, you can select your own country code and select your contacts that you want to send. You can select contact in group. You can create a group of people that you want to send your contact to. For example, if you are driving leads to your WhatsApp, people who are yet to save your contact, you can create a group and name them, give them a generic name so that you can easily identify them. Okay, so this group will actually help you determine the kind of message that you'll be sending to this set of people. Alright, so if you want to be selecting the contact one after the other, select WhatsApp contact. So if you select this one, okay, so that means you will need to be taking the contact one after the other, this method. So let me back it now. I will always advise that you always group your contacts. This way you'll be able to market effectively. So if you want to send a promotional messages, you just group them as customers, maybe new customers or paying customers or leads. So depending on the type of message that you want to send, so just select this group. Let me create new group. Alright, leads 4. Let me name it new leads 4. Alright, so I will select contact now. So you start selecting your contacts. You can select as many contacts as you like. just highlight like 10 or 20 for this course. Okay, so just be taking contact you want to send. Alright, so just take your contact. Alright, so save, click on this save option. Okay, you can also import contact that you have saved in CL format. Okay, so just click on this back so that we can start sending message. This leads. Alright, so now we've selected our contact. Now this second box is where you input your message that you want to send to your contact. So you can see the second box. So I already have my message draft. You can see my message is already in there already. So just input your message. If you want to compose or if you want to paste, just go and copy and paste your message. So you can also add attachments. So just select this. If you want to add like videos or audios or PDF, just click on this option to add. So you can see you can add images, you can add video, you can add PDF if you want to send PDF directly or audio. So just you can add it to your messages. Okay, so I'm not including any of this. I only want to send message. Okay, so now I have my message inserted. Now select the type of WhatsApp you're using. So if you are using the normal WhatsApp, click on this next button, begin the process. To manual to always select open WhatsApp and start sending to selected contact automatically. But if you select the manual, it open WhatsApp with the selected contact and message feed. Now you click on send and press back. So click on the next. Okay, if you are actually using this app for the first time, it might ask you to enable notification or access, can't access. Just make sure you click the necessary access. Okay, you can add delay, how many seconds you want it to take before it starts sending. So just click on this green icon or green button, which is start sending, and this app to the contact you selected.